Well, this is the time and temperature building here in Portland, Maine. We're not going to ride that elevator. We're ride this one. OTIS. See that floor plate used to be where the safety cover used to be? Now we're going to go up to... highest we can go to is 10. Here you are, 10. Classic OTIS leveling. 1. We are back at the first floor. Back to the lobby. Oh, we drop it to 10. Very nice elevator. Fire service was probably added on. Watch the button pop out. Classic OTIS leveling. And a back of 1. £1,800 is your capacity. We're back at 1 hour stop. Give me classic OTIS leveling. And now we're going to ride the modernized elevator. This one got modernized by KONE. Going up. Here we go.
Floor.
Here at 10.
First floor. Going up.
10. That is kind of misleading. It's 1,800 pounds capacity. See that KONE did a really nice job of refreshing the interior of this thing. Although I prefer the OTIS is better.
10th floor.
And a back of 1. There are your fixtures. KSS series fixtures.
First floor.
Back one.
Going up.
It's on peak up, so that's it.